There are many things you can do to maintain a healthy body. Here are a few recommendations. Eat a well-balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks. Exercise regularly. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity per week. You can also incorporate strength training, flexibility, and balance exercises into your routine. Get sleep. Most adults need 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. Practice stress management techniques, such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Keep up with regular checkups and screenings to catch any potential health issues early on. By following these guidelines, you can help maintain a healthy body and reduce your risk of developing certain health conditions. What to avoid eating? What should not be eaten harm the body? There are many things that can be harmful to the body if consumed in excess or if they are contaminated. Here are a few examples. Alcohol. Consuming too much alcohol can damage the liver, brain, and other organs. It can also increase the risk of developing certain cancers and other health problems.